What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to be just doing a fun little straight pour with fluorescent orange. I have kind of like a peach color. It's kind of like a very light brown and white. Then I have a very bright yellow and a metallic white. So we're just going to layer the cup and get into our straight pour. So this should be part of a series for a whole bunch of days of Christmas. I wanted to put out a video each day, just to kind of have fun around the holidays. We now have so many Fosters in this house. My goodness. I think we added it up yesterday. We're at this point over 20 cats, 20 little feline souls in this house that are growing up slowly so that we can adopt them out. Those of you guys that don't know, we work for a nonprofit here in Arizona called Cactus Cats. So we try to take care of these little kiddos like they're our own. But I hope everybody's doing wonderful today. I am having a glorious day. It's not cold, it's not hot, it's kind of in the middle. You can tell it's around wintertime here. I mean, if I told you what the temperature was, you'd probably laugh anyway, but it's like 90-ish right now. I mean, it gets down into the, I want to say the really high 40s, maybe mid 50s-ish, but it doesn't get incredibly hot here, or incredibly cold for the winter. But I prefer it that way. All right. So we got the layers going. Those are some really interesting colors together. I normally wouldn't have used that little peach color, but we're gonna give it a try. So I'm pouring a little faster than I want because you can probably see the paint is starting to travel down the side of the cup, and I don't want it to get to a point that it's on the bottom. I'm going to bring the cup a little bit lower, get those lines a little bit more sharp. Less churning, less color mix, and more straight pour. Those colors are wicked cool. Oh wow. So we're getting close to where that first drop's gonna break off. Okay, cool. Wow, look at that thing. Let me see. I am not gonna stretch it a lot. I do want to get coverage, but we're gonna be really slow and deliberate with this one. Those lines in that thing are just too cool. There we go. That's pretty. All right. Love the really fine, delicate lines. All right, let me get you guys down here to check this thing out. So because of these colors, I'm trying to keep it color correct. When I get close, you can see it. The colors are completely changing just because there's no white in the background, so the white balance gets thrown way off. I love the lines in it though, but you may have heard these little monsters. Let's see, where are you at, babies? Hi, mama. Are you babies in there? Oh, are they nursing? I see a tail. Oh, mama. I really like the way this came out. Got some really nice golds. Really cool looking striations and lines. I like it. I don't know. It almost looks like an abstract version of a sun. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.